Today in front of me new iPad Air 2022, and I'll show you how to turn off Siri feature on this device. So now, as can you see, by press the power button, by press the power button, the Siri is activated. And now I'll show you how to turn off the switcher. So click here into the settings and find the Siri and search section here, and just to turn off Siri from the power button, you should click here once on the switcher and click to stop using Siri. And now just confirm again by click to turn off Siri. And now Siri is turned off on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.